Welcome to Lego Monday, everyone. Today we've got the Mercedes-AMG F1 W12E Performance, the F1 car. I did the Mercedes-AMG Project 1 last week. It looks like a concept car or something. I'm not super familiar with the Mercedes model lineup, so I'm not the one to ask about that. I just thought they looked cool. But let's see here. We got two bags and a not unchunky book. Got the stickers in there. And let's see, how many steps was that one? 109 at the end. Yeah, 109 steps. Evidently we've got options on the very last step. Or is that? I'm not sure what the yellow one means. Okay. But. Okay, maybe that sticker. I'm still trying to figure out. I don't understand. Yeah, okay, I mean, it's just a different paint job or something. I'm not familiar with F1 either. But anyway, this will be a slightly different build for me. First time I've done a car that's not just a traditional, four wheels and two doors thing. But anyways, for those of you who are new here, I'll null them out and put it together at high speed and talk to you again at the end. So I'll see you then. Okay, there we go. Evidently, they have given you, or given us, oh, sorry about that, hit my mic. If you want to put the stickers on these pieces, that's evidently just an alternate team. I can see that now. It's 77 instead of 44. I don't keep up with F1, so I don't know who each of them is. I think does Lewis Hamilton still drive for Mercedes? I can't remember. He's the only F1 driver, current F1 driver I know. You got our little guy here with his curly hair and his track suit. You got the AMG Patronus, striping on it. There he is. That's a good looking little guy. Got the curly hair wig, or I get wig or hair, I guess. Not little, the stitch marks on the back of it there too. So that, Puma logo, or Puma, I guess, depending on which continent you're on. I didn't have my specs on today, so my sticker placement is exceedingly crooked, even for me. Let's put his helmet on and get him in the car. But so I apologize for that. I was doing my best. Let's see. And he actually, okay, I guess you gotta flip up the, yeah, okay, there it goes. Now, yeah, say, like I've said, I don't know a whole lot about Formula One or the racing or anything like that. I know it's just highly experimental almost, as far as the stuff they do, the stuff they try in their cars. I liked that the wheel covers were actually the outside of the wheels. I thought that was I didn't think about that, how they were going to do that. Had all kinds of trouble with the spoiler when I disassembled it to put the stickers on. I reassembled it wrong, so it took a while for me to get all that lined up. But now once it did, it did go in there nice and tight. So that's good. Anyway, that's the old Mercedes-AMG F1 W12E performance. Glad I can read that off the box over there. That was fun. This week, I haven't really decided what I'm going to do this week. I think I may go back to Masters of the Universe. I'm getting a little thin on them, so I may be wrapping them up here in the next few weeks. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.